Hello and welcome to another 4ClubGB video, where we review Beading Perfection Car Care. As you can see, Big Blue, the ST220, is looking rather sorry for itself. Water spots all over. It's in need of a clean. Time for the snow foam. You follow the instructions on the bottle for the ratio. When it's in the bottle, don't forget to give it a good stir. Don't want to be making foam in the bottle, but you want to stir it enough to mix it. Look at that lovely white snow. It's really nice and thick, just how I like it. You can get it a little bit runny if you like it runny, but it's really nice and thick, this one. You want to get a nice, consistent, even covering. Very nice and thick. Great to work with. You should never forget behind the wheel, in the inner wheel arch. That place gets full of road grime and dirt. So much build up in there. Ever wondered how your car would look white? Give it a good thick layer of snow foam. I'd recommend leaving it a few minutes to dwell. I always snow foam the car dry, to allow it to stick to the dirt. Nip in the shed and get your wash and wax. You want a good couple of squirts of wash and wax in your bucket and get a good squirt with a pressure washer. Get it really nice mixed up. You want all them bubbles. The foamier the better for me. Here we are, paying attention to the wheels first. I use them both at the same time to really attack the brake dust on the white wheels. With this fallout remover you get a lot of purple from a lot of brake dust. You can really see it working. Look at the dirt just fall off. You want to repeat that process until you get clear water running off. Time for the contact stage now with the wash and wax. Nice and slick, plenty of lubrication, which is what you want. And don't I look a wally with my GoPro on my head. I bet the neighbours are wondering what on earth is he doing. The things I do for a video. The bits a lot of people forget, you'd be surprised. I use a quick detailer just to get in these nuts and crannies. Just to get rid of all that dirt. This Beading Perfection quick detailer is working nicely. Don't forget your door shuts, and at the bottom of the door, they're bits that a lot of people forget. You'd be surprised how much dirt you get in the sill and at the bottom of the door. And you want to clean the bottom of your door before you sill. You don't want to shut your door and all that dirt gets back on your sill. The interior detail of the work's a treat. Just look at it take that dirt off. Quick confession, I did give the inside of the car a really good clean. Seats out and everything, a couple of days before I shot this. So unfortunately, no footage of cleaning the inside, but trust me, it does work. Last thing now is the glass. Getting that a quick once over with a glass cleaner. You can see it really working there. No smears or anything. Leaves you a nice shiny finish. And here's the results. Some nice cinematics of a nice shiny car. Look at the reflection in that.
Let me open up your...
And don't forget, if you do have paid membership with Paul Club GB, you can get a good discount on Beading Perfection. They'll sort you out. Tell them we sent you.
You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my small bed. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken, we were about to make it. Need to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my small bed. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy.